the month of June, we are giving away this Recreation Team Losi LMT monster truck. Don't forget to go to www.jestermonstertruck.com/store to enter. Every $5 spent on the website enters one entry into winning this truck. Don't forget, it's through the month of June, all the way through June 30th, and the drawing is July 2nd, 2024. Don't forget, get yours today. Thanks for watching.
Well, it's officially Monster Trucks Throwdown Day here in Joliet, Illinois. The next day, actually, we just got here. Kraken got towed out. Jester got towed out. And I'm looking around the pits, see who I'm going to see. And I'm excited to see Colossus and Little Miss Dangerous competing with us tonight here at the Dirt Oval Route 66 Raceway. Great friends of ours, Athena K, Elliot Miller. So if you're watching this, I'm very excited to see how you all do tonight. So yeah. I'm looking around the pits and looking around the track and get the merch stand ready and get some reviews after that. So let's proceed, guys. So I watched from a distance and I decided to come back here with the fans coming in. Now we have Against the Grain here. First Hoister Daddy and now this. What do you think about this, Nick?
You know, it's good. Last minute, Elliot had to pick up an extra truck since, we went down. So now we got a full set of 8 trucks here. So it's going to be exciting. A lot of fun.
I can't wait to see that. So I got like 4 first-timers here. We got Little Miss Dangerous out front. Colossus and Hoister Daddy already set for pit party. And now I guess the Grains turn up last minute. This is going to be an exciting one tonight.
Oh yeah, it's going to be great. Sitting there watching everybody. It's going to be an awesome show.
I mean, wish the truck didn't blow up yesterday, but it is what it is. But what are you going to do? But I know it's going to be a fun time. I hope Mike takes home the hardware.
Oh yeah, hopefully so.
Okay, So I'm gonna one little point out here. Limitless Dangerous won't be competing tonight. She's only here for display, but Athena will help out with ride trucks, as I saw. But as you saw with Nick, Against the Grain has turned up last minute to replace Nick's spot. I can't really believe it. So literally, technically 3 first-timers to competing wise, but 4 first-timers in person, I say. But I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little bit out of breath. I ran back up here because I'm really excited about today. See how it all turns out. Let's see if Mike Pagliarulo can take hold of the hardware. But like I said, we might see some interviews during Pit Party, so strap in, guys, and see some highlights of Pit Party. So here we are, one of the newbies here to interview for the Tom 40 Motorsports channel. Chris Rogers, driver of Who's Your Daddy? I mean, I call it Hoister Daddy, but my apologies. But tell me about the history of this truck, what it used to be and what it came to be.
Well, this truck used to be driven by Zach Adams. It was a Defender, and we purchased it in about a year and a half ago. And so we decided to come up with this scheme on it. I've run it all last year. This is our 2nd season with it, and we're finally here running with the big guys, I guess. And we got called up to see what happens here. We usually run a lot of fair shows, a lot of shows close to home, just because I got young kids still, and we kind of do this as a hobby. We don't really do this for a living.
So yeah, again, you're one of the 3 competitors out here. I mean, we got Against the Grain coming out there right now, but in person for me, you love LA Miracle Colossus and Against the Grain. You're one of the first timers I've seen in person. I can't wait to see you tonight. Hope you burn it down, man. First time in Monster Truck Throwdown, I believe?
Yes, first time.
I'm usually in the Full Throttle Monster Truck Tour.
Yes, sir.
Well, good luck, man, and more power to you.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Well, as you heard in the background during my interview with Chris Rogers, Against the Grain has came out. It is all taped up with the Throwdown tape, and it's all on display with the others in the Pit Party here in Joliet. So yeah, again, like I said with Chris Rogers, along with him, Against the Grain and Colossus is my very first time seeing these trucks in person compete. I couldn't be any more excited, like I always said, but yeah. also what I noticed before people started filing in, the track crew on each ramp painted a green M in symbol of Monster Truck Mayhem. I mean, yes, this is Monster Truck Throwdown, but this specific type of show, this is Monster Truck Mayhem. So this is like a tradition for Monster Truck Throwdown every time they come to Joliet. So we got one of our fans right here who I actually interviewed back in Indianapolis. So welcome back, man. It's great seeing you again. But you asked me to sign your poster right here. Makes me feel honored, man. So thank you very much for letting me sign that. And I'm glad you're out here. So what do you expect from Mike Pagliarulo tonight?
You know what? I think he's gonna burn it down. He does have Jim in the back, but Jim, he's been iffy this season. Not saying he's bad, but Matt, he can carry a torch, and I certainly know that.
Yeah, but again, we saw that Jim Kohler won Freestyle of the Year, but again, Mike does have some tough competition. I mean, yeah, like even his son Chris Kohler has some tough competition too. But I'm praying that we might get the hardware tonight. And I mean, Mike Pagliarulo has won Rookie of the Year this year, as you saw that, right?
Yeah.
So yep. So I'm very excited. Thank you for coming out here again. It's nice meeting you again, and have fun tonight.
I'll see you guys on YouTube.
Your brother read it, sorry. He's like, go talk to my dad. God, you look just like your brother. Yeah, they do. Holy shit. I was like, wait, that's the best guy. You ready? Go give him the car.
No, I'm Chester.
Say, please. Well, the sun out there.
Yeah, that's Michael's driving for me tonight.
Ready?
Normally
Show him the front of your shirt.
Oh,
Say, my husband has a gesture this big on his back.
look at that. Love it.
Say, my dad's the artist. Oh, no, we can't fly the
Dad
ladder. Yeah, Daddy's an
Nice.
artist.
Nice.
He's a tattoo artist. Stand up.
How you doing?
Painter and a half. Mom, ready? Take a... Say cheese. Jay, look at Nana. So much.
No, we're sorry.
He picked... No, you're good. He picks a truck every...
So here we have Elliot Miller, driver of Colossus. As I mentioned earlier, we had dinner with you and Athena back in our Tom Ford team's home state since you and Athena were at the All-Star Monster Truck Tour at the time. And you see Colossus is a brand new truck. We usually see you in Sinistar, but you brought this truck to life. It also brought Little Miss Dangerous back from the dead. So explain the story on that.
So first of all, thanks for dinner. That was an awesome dinner we had back in January. It's cool to be able to go and hang out with friends all over the country. But right now we're in Joliet, Illinois. It's about to rain, but this action will be really good tonight here. It's going to dry out. It'll be good. But yeah, this is Colossus. This is basically one of the new identities for Sinistar Motorsports this year. We've been running it all winter, so I mean the body looks like complete. Nothing against farm or anything. It's just a guy that drives it, doesn't really know what he's doing. So, you know, that's what you get. But yeah, we're excited for the show, and we're excited to have Tom Foolery Motorsports here and hang out with some good friends and kind of see what happens. Probably get a little stupid.
Well, I did promise I'm going to draw you and Athena, Colossus, and Little Miss Dangerous, but keep in mind, I will do it later on. So,
all right.
Good meeting again, man.
I'll hang it right next to the Sinistar one you drew me.
Well, good. Well, thank you, and good luck tonight.
No problem. Thanks.
Here we have Brad Shippert, driver of Against the Grain, Last Minute. Welcome to Monster Truck Throwdown, man. I'm excited to have you here, and I heard you have a survival story during the pandemic, so you don't mind telling us about it?
Yeah, so in 2020, when the monster truck world shut down, I also shut down too. There was nothing for us to do, and then I actually went to the dentist. I had a routine checkup there where the dentist noticed some unnecessary bleeding going on and said, you might want to get that checked out. Well, I've heard that before too through the passing of my late wife and her cancer struggle. When you need to get checked out, you should get checked out. So we went, got checked out, and I had leukemia, and it was in an advanced state. So I needed a immediate blood transfusion that ultimately saved my life from Impact Life, followed by 8 months of chemotherapy down at OSF Hospital in Peoria, followed by a stem cell transplant at Mayo Clinic that took over a year of recovery after the stem cell transplant for me to get thinking about doing monster trucks again. And I was able to get back into monster trucks in, let's see here, it would have been January of 22. Yes, 22, we got back in it, and haven't looked back since, and we've had clean tests. We get tested monthly, and everything's clean, and I am a survivor, and glory be to God to do that, because that's the only thing that saved my life was God and following his plan.
Well, that sounded very inspirational, that last part, man. It's a very big miracle. I'm glad you're around with us. Good luck, man, and thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I hope you can hear me over the music right here, but I just came up here because It's starting to rain a little bit, so I decided to go inside because I didn't bring a rain jacket, of course, because I didn't expect any rain. But I just want to show you off these trophies right here that the drivers are going to try to get tonight, like the best trick, racing, the freestyle, and maybe I see an overall one, who knows. But yeah, so those are the trophies that the drivers are going to try to get tonight out of the 3 competitions. Also, I thought I should mention this because I kind of showed this earlier in the video because I got this confused with the dirt oval right here, but that is the Chicagoland Speedway where NASCAR formerly raced at. They haven't raced there since 2019, since they started doing the street course in the Street Chicago. I mean, they're going to do that again later this year. I mean, they started doing that last year, which is one of the most unique races I've ever watched, but I thought I'd give you a nice good view with it, with Kraken sitting there. You know, unfortunately, couldn't make it tonight because of blow mower, but hey, again, stay positive because Mike Pagliarulo, I know he'll burn down tonight, and he might take home our first hardware of 2024. Okay, big bar is a wrap. A very windy and chilly evening right now. About 20 minutes, it's showtime. Mike is ready. Tom Ford team is ready. He's gonna go all alone out, but like I said, let's keep our fingers crossed, see if we can take home the hardware tonight. With 7 other competitors, let's see it all go down. Guys, I think we just took home the hardware and best trick tonight. It looks like Mike Pagliarulo has taken home the best trick win. First competition of the night. A big win for the Tom Ford Motorsports team right now. We are going strong, starting off strong. Best trick winner, man. The first hardware 2024. How you feeling about this right now?
Really good. You know, we woke up and we wanted to win. This is what we got right here. Best trick. Did not think I was gonna get best trick out of all of them, but here we are. This thing is half the size, or maybe 3/4 the size of me. This thing's tall, but it's beautiful. Messed up in racing. Forgot apparently how to drive. But we're last in freestyle. There's some crap up.
That's right. That's right. Let's hope the truck doesn't break early. That's what we keep our fingers crossed to.
Fingers crossed. Hopefully we can get another one of these.
And we're going to get... You got that right, Brooke.
Hold on. It's taller than...
Really?
Oh, okay.
No, it's not. No,
Well,
it's
it's
not.
bad for you. I'm fine.
But yeah, so we're in intermission right now. We're gonna get ready for freestyle after Mega Trucks, and it'll be called a night, and then we just get it all fixed up again and head to Nashville.
10-4.
Guys, we took the freestyle win. Mike Pagliarulo not only took home the best trick, but he also took home the freestyle win. I am hyped right now as they're going to put Chester on back on all fours, and he's going to do an encore for you guys. So sit back and relax, guys, enjoy this encore in celebration of his freestyle win.
We've been here twice, and that truck has not done a freestyle. So everybody kept braking, it happens, but I ended up being last. And all you fans that stayed, that was for you guys. What do you think? Hey, screw that Jackson body, baby!
Came up just a little bit shy for the overall. Your overall champion for the night, Corey Snyder and Illuminator.
Okay, guys, that is a wrap for the entire weekend from RC Fest as well as Monster Truck Throwdown. Probably one of the best weekends we had so far this year. Mike Pagliarulo taking home both Best Trick and Freestyle, the first hardware of 2024. I don't really have much else to say, really. I had a really fun time this weekend with the Pags and really good family friends of me, mom, and dad. I can't be any more thankful for this opportunity to film with these guys, and I just can't wait to see what goes on from here, especially our next event, which is Nashville, Tennessee for Monster Jam. I almost said Monster Truck Throwdown, but our Monster Truck Throwdown next show for them is Mansfield, Ohio. But first, it'll be Monster Jam in Nashville, Tennessee. Before you leave, guys, make sure you subscribe to Tom 40 Motorsports for more content like this, as well as follow on Instagram, including following shown in the description below. Make sure you enter $5 out of every item you purchase so you can win the Losi RC Custom Recreation that is going on a giveaway right now on the Tom 40 Motorsports website. This is Jakob on Power, aka Jakob Knows Cool, signing off, and see you all in Nashville, Tennessee. Adios, guys.